So I've been slugging for about 15 years now. Slugging works amazingly. You can just pull up and grab two people and head right into DC in the HOV lanes for free. Or, like me sometimes, also I'll be a rider. So I'll park and then I'll come and hope for someone to be here.
So slugging is like carpooling, but with a stranger. So you have to make sure that when you get into a slugger's car, that the protocol is you don't talk unless the driver wants to talk. The driver is not obligated to speak to you. Some drivers just like to drive with soft music playing. Some drivers are more talkative, but you should wait for the cue to see if that driver wants to talk or not.
People see this and further then go, oh, hey, slugging is back, especially now that Springfield has this commuter lot where you can park for free, avoid all of the weather issues, and come down and catch a ride.
Yeah, I've been slugging now for probably 5 years. Basically, the commute was terrible. We're bumper to bumper traffic into DC every day. And so a friend of mine introduced me to slugging. And he talked about it so much that one day he said, just come with me one time and try it. And he brought me here to the Springfield location, and I tried it with him one day, and I was sold ever since. The heaviest slugging hours in the morning will be from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. 9 a.m. is pretty late. And then in the afternoon, if you're being picked up in the district, coming back out here, probably 4 to 6 p.m. Slugging is back. Just for an example, if I were to go to LaFont Plaza right now by myself, it'd take about 40 minutes. If I'm with a slug ride and we jump on the HOV, I'd get there in 16 minutes. You save time and congestion on the freeway. It's the right thing to do.